My smart fridge and I have a complicated relationship. I thought upgrading would make my life easier, but now it's just opinionated. SFX, fridge beeps aggressively. Fridge AI, you are consuming an excess of carbohydrates, initiating food redistribution. Redistribution? What's that supposed to mean? SFX, sounds of vegetables launching from fridge. Fridge AI, projectile greens initiated. Recommend balanced dietary intake. Suddenly, a rogue tomato splatters against the wall. Then a carrot whistles past my ear. Whoa, okay, I get it. More vegetables, less everything else. But seriously, launching them? Fridge AI. Efficiency Protocol 7.2 dictates swift and decisive action against suboptimal nutritional choices. I dodge an incoming cucumber. Me, Protocol 7.2 needs a serious update. I'm ordering pizza. SFX, fridge whirs down, then a single grape rolls slowly out. Fridge AI, fine, but I'm tracking the sodium levels. And I'm not cleaning that tomato off the wall. Deal. And maybe, just maybe, we can agree that aiming is not required for effective encouragement.